this is not what I was expecting. This is crazy. No way we're getting all this. We're coming back for a second trip. Absolutely. All I have to say is, wow. This is how I scored the biggest moped purchase I've ever had. Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah, it's at least 8.
Yeah. I'll make a quick timeline for you. All right, so it all began on the 17th. There I was, scrolling on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, as I do all the time. When something caught my eye, I saw just a trailer full of moped stuff. It looked like junk. There was some nice stuff in it. There was definitely a lot of stuff, and I was very intrigued. I pretty much immediately messaged the seller, really not thinking it was going to go anywhere. And we began to talk pretty much all day, just a little bit about what they had. And I was talking to the wife of the husband that had been collecting since 1976. Later that night, I had about a 2.5-hour conversation with this gentleman trying to sell his collection. He said pretty much everything was untouched. He hadn't had anybody come by and look at anything yet. So I figured it was probably a pretty good lead. We talked a little bit. He said he'd purchased out dealerships at multiple occasions. He said at one point, one of the dealerships he bought had about $80,000 worth of inventory. So this is the 17th. 18th, I asked my wife, do you think I'm crazy? Do you believe him? She said yes. So this deal was down south in Virginia, West Virginia, one of the Virginias. I had to make a couple of things happen in a very short amount of time. I was able to get 2 U-Haul trucks, a hotel, all booked. Now it's time to get a team together and make this happen. So I got my lovely wife, my mom and dad, and a childhood friend. The 23rd is Thanksgiving. The 24th, we head down to West Virginia, all driving in a car. We stayed that night in a hotel. It was pretty nice. The 25th, we picked up our trucks, and we headed on over. And boy, were we surprised with exactly what he had.
Okay, I told you I had 8. 8 Mobicanes?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah, it's at least 8.
Yeah. You definitely didn't disappoint. You definitely got 8 there.
And there's still a couple frames out there that
Some 7s?
Yeah, there's 2.
I love the 7s. They look to be in pretty good shape too. Oh, okay, yeah. You definitely got some mobilettes. That's for sure. I'll come into the Peugeot. Little AMF Roadmaster. Got some Pooks.
Almost. Wait a minute, no.
No, these are Pooks.
These are Pooks.
You got Peugeot Kinetic. That looks like a Hercules.
That's a Hercules thing.
Yeah.
I'm not... You... Sack engines?
Yeah. Yeah, it's basically... That's pretty much what it is. Some Batavis, some weird ones. Yeah, I think I saw that from the photo.
Got one Pagagio and a frame back there, Pagagio.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so these are the Minarellis. Yeah. Okay. We can leave them here for now. We'll come and get them.
2 or 3 others up there that are not even mine.
Oh, really?
People never came back for them.
And that Pook sign's coming, right?
Right.
Oh, that's really cool. That's really cool, and it's in like great shape. Needs a clean, but
needs cleaning.
Real quick.
Not much room in there, but it's.
All I have to say is, wow. Okay, that's good.
The Honda building.
Oh yeah, I see the little wheels. Yep.
That's
the Honda building over there.
Yeah.
I like it.
Almost this way a minute. On your left.
Yep. Some silver bullets.
And I got tired and couldn't move them anymore, and I just threw these out and these
All right, so this is a lot of frames, wheels.
I think there's track.
You pulled a lot of bikes out of here, didn't you? This is where all those came from?
The Mopeds were in here.
Okay.
Sacks in the front,
Okay.
which you couldn't get to right now.
Is that a sign or is that
Do you like Fieros?
They were fun.
Yeah.
Roll them out. 160,000 on this one.
Yeah, they were very popular back
And
in my day.
the 4-cylinder over there just didn't have it. It was actually running in a quick window. But nobody was interested in it.
Just some frames and whatnot.
Well, look at this bus.
Yeah, there's an old bus. This is not what I was expecting. This is crazy. I honestly don't have much time to even talk to the camera, unfortunately. So, guys, this is crazy. I'll show you guys once we get things loaded up, but no way we're getting all this. We're coming back for a second trip. Absolutely. So I'm pretty sure that you guys are asking yourself what exactly we got. So let me run you through the bikes that we got and I'll give you guys a quick glance. We have way too many to actually show you all of them. So let's do a real quick walkthrough. I got more wheels than a man could ever truly need. Got a bunch of gas tanks and a ton of seats. Most of them are nice. And what everybody's waiting to see. Look at these motors, guys. Isn't that crazy? Honestly, guys, I wasn't able to really film as much as I would have loved to. We only had one day to make this all happen. I do plan on going back again in the summer to grab the rest of the stuff. So with that, guys, I hope you guys enjoy and thanks for watching. A lot of really nice wheels.